this is Viridi and today's video is going to be a tag video which is going to be a book pairing tag, and I have seen this video from the Indian booktuber and all the questions of this tag are going to be in the description box, so you can go and check out all the questions. So without further ado, let's get started the video. First question is, where do you buy your books? Okay, so I usually like to buy the books from Amazon because the price of the book they are cheaper. I have checked out Flipkart and I just got like the prices of Amazon are really cheaper than Flipkart. So for that case, I am buying all my books from Amazon. But if I get any of my favorite books which I want to buy, so probably I can buy from bookstore for local bookstore. But mostly I buy all my books from Amazon. The second question is, do you ever pre-order books? If so, you do this in store or online? So I haven't up to now pre-ordered any books, so I don't know about it so much. The third question is, on average, how many books do you buy per month? 2 or 3, because I just buy less books only, but per month 2 or 3 books only I am buying. Do you use your local library? I really like to use my local library because where if you have a surrounding with books, it's really awesome. But in my local library they are not much good, so I just get to my school library the most. The fifth question is, if so, how many books can you or do you borrow at a time? So mostly I borrow 1 or 2 books at a time, that's why. What is your opinion on a library book? So library books, I really like to read library books, but some libraries, like the library in my local town, do not have so many books, whatever books I want, but many of the books are they related from the children authors. Books are so many, so I really like the book. Yes, if we talk about the quality of books depends upon the library, because we have a library here and which has really good quality. So I just think quality mostly depends. How do you feel about charity shop or second-hand books? I think that I actually like them. If you have their charity shop for books, I like them. Do you keep your read or TBR piles on the same bookshelf or not? So mostly yes, I keep them on same bookshelf only, because I think I know which books I have read or which I have not read. But sometimes I keep them different if I am getting confused. So yes, I'm keeping them on the same shelf only. Now the ninth question is, do you plan to read all the books that you own? I really want to read all the books which I have planned and I wanted to read, but we also know that's a big problem, because we like to buy more and more books. Like I like to buy more and more books, and the books which are kept in my bookshelf is kept like this only. And yes, the bird noise must be coming to you. Whenever I start making a video, everyone wanted to tease me at that time. Now the 10th question is, what do you do with the books you own that you feel you will never read or your friends don't enjoy? So mostly, if like this book is there, I mostly want to donate this book, or I can give the book to anyone if I haven't enjoyed that book. Because in the bookshelf, I think there are so many books left of my reading. So up till now, there was any book that I wanted to give to someone. But if I have, I will give it to someone who loves this book or who wants to try to read this book. So I will give to that person. Now the 11th question is, have you ever donated a book? Up till now, I haven't donated a book, but I would really like to donate books to the people who want to read more books but they can't afford, so I can give it. Have you ever been on book buying ban? So no. Do you feel that you buy too many books? No, I didn't feel like I buy many books, because I buy 2 or 3 books only per month, so I don't think I buy many books at a time. But if that depends on if I am buying 2 or many books, like a set I am buying of 2 or 3, so I think that at time I am buying many books, but I don't think I buy many books. So that's it guys, this was the tag video, like this was the tag part, and now I have a second thing which you have read in the title, that now I'm going to do my short book haul, because I don't have so many books I have bought. So let's get started to it. So these are all the books which I have bought. I have bought only the 4 books. So without further ado, let's get started with this book haul also. The first book which I have bought is Chanakya in Daily Life by Radhakrishna Pillai. Now this book tells about how the teaching of Chanakya can be taken in our daily life. So I want to read this book as it's a self-help book. I like non-fiction too, so I have bought this book. The second book which I have bought is The 3000 Stitches by Sudha Murthy. Now this is a story about her life, an ordinary book. It is like ordinary story, ordinary people. So I don't know much about this book, but I'm gonna read this book too. And this book I have bought not from online. The fourth book is the most wanted book of mine. Like I wanted to get this book because of two reasons. Like this is the book. First reason of this book is like the cover. The cover is the so beautiful cover, and from my whole bookshelf, I think this book has the most beautiful cover. Now this book is called Ikigai by Hector Gracious and Francis Morales. Now this is about how by the ways of Japanese you can live your life, and Ikigai only means like how to live a valuable life, or how to live a very amazing or good life, and good and simple life. So about this book is there. Now the last book which is the fourth book, which is the Ruskin Bond's Underground Walk. Now I have bought this book for reading for this Halloween. Like I want to start reading because it's like a small ghost story, like ghost and scary type book it is. So I want to start reading, and I am really a big fan of Ruskin Bond. I like his writings and I like his stories. So this is the book from a favorite author. So this were all the 4 books which I wanted to buy from a long time. Like all this author, like I want to try all these authors' books. That's why this was the books which I have bought, and this was my small haul video. So if you like this video, so please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification for you can get more bookish content on this bookish content videos on this channel. And till that, bye guys, let's miss you in your next one.